Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Getting this message, your account is reset right now on WhatsApp. Don't panic. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and now search here WhatsApp and click on the WhatsApp and click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear cache and clear data. Okay, back. Now click on the permission options and allow all permissions. Call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, locations, microphones, audios and music and audios, nearby device, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS, allow all permission. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and now search here WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the app support and click on the email and now enter your problem here. Okay, subject your account is reset right now. Your problem: hello WhatsApp support, my WhatsApp account is currently showing the message your account is reset right now. I believe this is a mistake as I have not violated my WhatsApp policies or and remove the restriction as soon as possible. Thank you your support. Your restart number and select your country. Okay, now send here and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.